Welcome back into our program. You're watching Talk of the Town, covering lots of topics on today's show, including some ways you can reverse the signs of aging. We're covering it all. And we're joined today by folks from LUX A Medical Spa. Gwyn Haertel is here. She's going to talk a little bit about what's going on. Nice to see you.
Thank you for having me today.
It's a pleasure to have you. And I'm so excited to introduce viewers who might not be familiar with LUX because really a wonderful organization with some very professional folks, including co-owners, Dr. Traywick and Dr. Weniger. Talk to us a little bit about them, treatments, products you offer.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are co-owned by our board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Carmen Traywick, and our board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Weniger. And they kind of oversee all of our treatments, so you always know that you are in great hands. We offer a wide variety of services from microneedlings to fillers and Botox to facials and laser treatments as well. So it's really great treatment for your skin.
Lots of products and services. Very good. And it is nice to have that doctor backing so you really know that, everything is being carefully monitored and you're in good hands, as you said. We're always liking to save money while we're reversing the hands of time. So you've got us covered there too, because you have some spring savings that you're going to share with us coming up. Some great deals. Tell us about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are so excited to announce that we will be having our March open house. We have these a couple times a year, and it's really the one thing that our patients come in and they ask, when is your open house? So people are really excited, and it's just going to be a big celebration to celebrate sales. We will have door prizes, giveaways. It's going to be a really exciting time for us, and this is also our first open house in 2 years since COVID.
Wow, and that's a milestone too, to have gotten through that and be able to have some in-person events. So great deal. And just a great way to kind of get to know the folks there and what all is available to offer.
Absolutely.
So that's great. Okay, and you also have a one-time-a-year offer that you're going to tell us about today called Bank Your Botox and Fillers. What is that?
We absolutely do. So this is one of the very few times a year that you can bank your Botox. And what that basically is you get to save Botox on your account as a credit. So if, say, you want to save, but you don't need Botox for three months, you can come in, you can purchase it that day. It is a one-day only sale. And in 9 months, say you need a treatment, you can get it.
All right, so a great way to save some money and you don't have to use it right then and there. So that's wonderful. All right, so another way for folks who might be unsure about attending some of these in-person events that you have going on, you actually have an online shopping option for folks. Tell us about that.
We do. So we know with COVID, people sometimes are unsure about coming in person. There will be a lot of people there, including our representatives, our sales reps, and they will be doing skincare consultations. However, if you are one of those people who's just a little more cautious, you can purchase these sales online. You can also call into our store and you can purchase it over the phone. Our girls at the front desk are wonderful.
Absolutely. Well, you got some experts on staff there helping folks out. So thank you very much for sharing some of that with us. We sure do appreciate it.
Absolutely. It's my pleasure.
Nice to see you today, Gwyn. We'll see you on the other side of the break here on Talk of the Town. We hope you'll stick around.